Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stockers and NINZA Pro Trader Indicators. It's the 21st of March. It's about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation. And if we look at last night open, we opened up around 2036.50, look like somewhere in that area, and it just kind of dropped down right there at the open to about 2031. As that turns out to be, that's going to be our low for the night, and it also give us a double bottom. As you can see, the market just went sideways until this point, and then just drove straight up into this zone with a high of 2044.25. Right now, we're just in a pullback, reaches some support right here, just above the 24-hour VWAP, and just below the moving average as we start to go back up. In all likelihood, what we're going to look for today is a move to the upside. There's not much economic news today, so we won't even talk about anything. Just going to go straight up in here. What we'd like to see, since we got this pullback, and unless you got in the pullback right here at 2037.25, then you just want to wait and wait for this to decide what it's going to do. Are we going to move up into this area zone here? So by that, if you're a cautious trader, you're going to wait for a close above this zone and then wait for the pullback and back into the zone in this area somewhere to 2043.50 area. Then go long. First target will be this 2050 area into the zone. Oops, and then we come back down. Next target will be 2060. A lot of room today. Be sure and take profits off early and just let your runners run today. And you might be in to make some good money with a little bit of uptrend day. Now we could get some consolidation in here, especially between now and 8:30 and market open in the Central Standard Time Zone. We are looking to possibly consolidate somewhere between this zone. Big area, but that's what we need to be cautious of. But if we can get a close neck back down below this 24-hour VWAP, down in and retest this zone, we want to look for a good bounce so that the opening traders can catch this bounce and drive this market straight up. So if we can get down in here, aggressive trader, if we get a close somewhere between 2032.75 and this double bottom or triple bottom, good for a good bounce, get in early, right hit this zone, put your stops right down into this zone here, and then just let the market run today, and we should get some good profits all the way up into the previous talked about zones. However, if it comes down to this zone, comes back up and retest the 24-hour VWAP, which will drop down and we'll catch it into here somewhere. Then you want to go short, want to retest this area, and look for first target somewhere between 2029 and 2028 area here. So after that, we're going to look for this retrace back up into this zone, then short, first target's going to be this 2020 area. Next short targets, we're going to be cautious right around these pivot areas at the 2016, 2014. All likelihood we could move into this zone if we get this big drop. But it might just trade right through this zone and pull right back to this 208.75 level. So be cautious of that if we happen to get down to this area today, which is not likely. The up move today is the better move today, what we think. But if we could get down in here, this is a place to actually go long again. Look for the great bounce, okay? Just put your stop somewhere below the zone, a little more than normal, and just be patient. Just be real patient and let the market move right back up and get some good profits that way and take your profits at the zones on their way back up. We don't know how fast or slow, we don't know which direction, but we want to be prepared in both directions. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers. If you have any questions, contact me at tradestalkers.com. Have a great day.